Hi everybody, Dave Matthews here for Champion Trading Corp. What we're showing you today, this is a rather unique piece of equipment. This is a cooling tunnel, which is going to be used for a molten cosmetic product. It starts off here with an in-feed section right here, and the operators are going to be taking these small containers, filling with a gear pump filler. Right here there'll be a small filling station here after it's installed, and they just, as they fill each container with the hot material, they go ahead and load them in here. Then they begin traveling down through the unit, and Jim, you can show some of the inside. You'll see each lane runs in an opposing direction, and as it runs around at to the end, it has a little U-turn. It goes back the other direction, giving it a residence time right now of about 20 or 25 minutes inside the tunnel. The open areas on each end of the tunnel, on each end of the glass doors, are going to be where the chilled air will be passed in and removed out. You'll see the central sections have two sliding glass doors on them. We've operated the unit through AC frequency controllers. These are TCO controllers. They're running at about 20 hertz right now. There's a separate one for the in-feed. A controller for each one of the lanes to allow you to vary the speed in each direction, and of course a final discharge conveyor which also has its own controller. The glass on top is a double pane glass. The entire body of the unit is stainless and insulated. Because this particular client is in a big hurry for this machine, we omitted doing some things that we normally would do. We've left the original chain in his request. I'm going to show Jim, can you see that at all? The unit also originally, you'll see these plastic caps right here, actually had a large steel structure above it, made of 3x3 inch structural square tubing. This housed an air handling system, filter, and a coil type refrigeration system, which provided a much colder air. In this case, there's not much cooling is needed to achieve what they want to do here. Jim, if you come around this side, you can probably get a better look at the... I'm going to open both these here for you. And of course, you'll see situations where the container may get stuck at the end. That's when it's riding a single container. When obviously multiple containers are passing through, one will bump one onto the next. But they usually travel pretty well. We haven't had any difficulties. We've run about 10 or so passes through the machine. So we're confident everything's good and ready to go. We have lots of equipment like this in our stock. We can offer reconditioning, rebuilding on most items from our stock. Obviously, we can't be an expert in everything. But we hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, where you can view all our inventory. And the site is updated daily. So we do look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for joining us today.